Most runners are eating too much fat and they don't even realize it. And this is a problem because a lot of them are carrying an extra 5 to 10 pounds on race day that they don't need to be. So today we're going to learn a simple habit to cut down our fat intake, allowing us to run faster and look a bit leaner. So this is the mistake that most runners are making. They're having way more fat in their diet than they actually realize, and it's because it's sneaking in the form of processed foods, takeout food, grabbing something from the canteen at lunchtime, fast food, restaurant food, not to mention the oils and other such things that we cook with. We just get too much fat sneaking into our diet. It's calorically dense, it's slow to digest, which makes it not a very good fuel source for running, and also we have more on our body than we could ever hope to burn when we're running. But that's not to say that we're going to avoid fats altogether. We're just going to cap our fat so that we're not eating more than we need to, so we're not carrying an extra 5 to 10 pounds when we don't need to be. So here's how we're going to fix this. We're going to cap our fat intake by classifying fatty type foods as fat treats. And then we're just going to have 3 portions a day. And we're going to measure the portion as something roughly the size of our thumb. Now that would be a fat treat if it was full on fat. So like butter, oil, and this kind of stuff. 1 thumb would be 1 portion. If we're thinking things like chocolate, protein bars, energy bars, one of those would count as 1 thumb of fat treats. When you're thinking eating out in a restaurant or getting takeout, just presume it's got about 2 thumbs worth of fat treats in it. And be quite generous when classifying stuff as a fat treat. So if you pick something up in a supermarket, when you're out and about, if it's in a packet, it tastes delicious, it's probably going to count as a fat treat. And we just want to have 3 fat treats per day. But what about the good fats, right? We know there's good fats and bad fats without getting into too much technical jargon, right? First, cap your fatty treats at 3 thumbs per day. When you've got the hang of that, try and make one of those thumbs come from healthy fat sources like fish, nuts, seeds, avocados, olives. But don't let the perfect be the enemy of the good. Start by just capping your fatty treats at 3 thumbs per day. And then once you've got the hang of that and you're not going over 3 thumbs a day, then start to get one of those thumbs from healthier fat sources. And one slightly technical thing is that the vast majority of people don't get anywhere near enough of something called omega-3. So you should look into it and you should probably supplement. Most people should be. And that's it. Remember, fat isn't the enemy and treats aren't the enemy. It's just having excessive amounts of them. So give yourself a cap, 3 per day, 3 thumbs per day of fats or fatty treats. And that's enough. And if you haven't already, download the Performance Nutrition Habit Tracker from the link in the description, and then you're going to tick off this week every day that you complete your habit. Coupled with the other performance nutrition habits, this is going to help us optimize our diet for recovery and performance, helping us make sure that we can recover from our injuries, run faster, and stay lean.